Welcome to Tbilisi, a city of grand monuments and epic scales that immediately captures your imagination. From high above, the sprawling cityscape unfolds before your eyes, revealing a unique blend of old and new. Step away from the rush, where time seems to slow down, wandering through whimsical alleys and timeless brick rooftops. Every turn reveals a new secret, blending centuries-old stories right into the rhythm of daily life. Stepping away from the streets, you'll find a quiet waterfall hidden in the heart of the city, before taking a peaceful boat ride right past the riverside church. As you wander through the historic heart of Tbilisi, you are surrounded by centuries-old churches and majestic cathedrals that define the timeless spirit of the city. If you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe and leave a comment. It really helps the channel. And check out my other videos for more awesome adventures.